boys. In this video we would like to show you how to turn this piece of bark into this rope. This bark we found on the side of a road. It was cut down to clear space, and traditionally people use willow or dogbane or milkweed, but we invite you to be creative and try to find some fiber that works well for you. The first step is to harvest the bark from the trees. If you're taking it from a living tree, you should ask permission and only take 25% or less of the bark, because if you take more, it could kill the tree. To remove the bark, you cut into the bark and pull slices off of it as long as possible, so it can help you later on in the rope making stage. Here what we're doing to remove the bark from the sheets that you've taken off the tree is you bend it over and slowly peel off the brown hard outer layer, slowly pushing with your pointer finger to release it, and then you just pull it off. The second step is to soak the bark to relieve the stiffness. If you just peeled it, then you do not need to do this and you can skip this step. Otherwise, you can put it in lukewarm water for about 30 seconds to a minute to get it to that nice supple feel so that you can start your rope making. The third step is peeling the bark into feasible sizes to make your rope. So to do that, you can break it at the top and just pull it along down to get a nice strip. If the inner bark is too thick, you can also stick your fingernail between the different fibers, or you can use a knife and try to separate them to make it thinner. This will help with the rope making because it'll be easier to twist up, and you're going to want nice long pieces like this. To start your braiding, you're going to need a long piece like this. You're going to take it and fold in half. Grab one side with your thumb and pointer finger, and with the other one, hold the top strand and twist it away from yourself. And once it's taut, you can twist it like 2 or 3 times. You're going to grab the base one and twist it toward yourself in the opposite direction as the top one. And then you're going to continue doing that, twisting away from yourself, and then twisting both toward yourself. Twisting away and toward. And the tauter you twist it, it's going to be, the stronger the rope is going to be and more flexible, and it's going to also make it look nicer. So I've worked along and I've created this much string, but this one side is getting a little thin and the other one's a little thick. This can happen if you're using something like milkweed or dogbane. The pieces will get really thin. And to fix this, you can take the other one and you can split it in half like this, and you can take one of them and just add it to the other side, and then you continue on going like this, away from yourself and then toward, and that'll make the two sides even. If you want to make your rope longer, you can take, once you've finished one strip, you can take another one and you're just going to fold in half like the other one, like before, and then you're going to place it right up against the other ones, and you're going to start doing the exact same thing, twisting away from yourself and then twisting both towards, and this will incorporate the new piece in, and it will secure it so you can continue working, and then you can add another one once that one's done. We had a lot of fun making the rope, and we challenge you to make one longer than ours. Ours is 46 feet. This rope is really practical at home or at your campsite. For example, you could use it to string up a tarp, or cache your food in a tree, or also you could use it for a clothesline. You can also use this rope for fun, such as jump roping. Another fun use is playing Limbo! We'd love to see your ropes and hear how you could use them for practical or fun purposes. Have a good week.